Hello, I'm Josh with the Boonshoft Museum of Discovery in Dayton, Ohio, here in our Science Theater powered by DP&L. Today, Don is going to demonstrate some creative ways that we can use science to make bath bombs for those special people in our life, our mothers, grandmothers, any other special woman, maybe even ourselves. Treat yourself.
Thanks for that introduction, Josh, and welcome everybody. Today we're going to be looking at making some handmade gift items using science. It doesn't get any better than that. Handmade gifts are wonderful things to give because the person receiving them understands the amount of time and effort you put into giving them. Chemistry doesn't only take place in a lab, chemistry takes place all around us. Anytime we mix materials together and these materials are allowed to react, we often get the production of new things such as gases. Those are new states of matter. To do this activity, you'll need a few things you may already have in your house. If not, all these items are quite easy to find at a local grocery or pharmacy. You'll need baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, cornstarch, olive oil or baby oil, water, and fragrance. Be sure the fragrance is a natural or cosmetic grade essential oil safe for use on skin. You can often find these in the bath area of your grocery or pharmacy. Some fragrance oils are not safe to use on your skin, such as the ones used for potpourri. You can substitute water if you don't want the oil or fragrance in your bath bomb. For a detailed list of all these materials and the quantities you will need, be sure to download our guide available on our website. Let's go ahead and start adding our dry ingredients to the bowl. Starting with half a cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup citric acid, 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I've already measured out my liquid ingredients, which was 1 1/4 tablespoon of oil of your choice. I've used baby oil, and 1/4 tablespoon of water, as well as up to 1 teaspoon of fragrance oil, but you don't have to use that. Notice I'm stirring this very quickly to ensure that my ingredients do not react. Notice I've mixed this fast enough so that now I have material that's like a very damp dough. Once you've mixed to the point that you have a soft dough, just like this, you're ready to start putting this into your mold. Today, I'm using a mini muffin tin, and I'm gently pressing down with my spoon. You can use any type of food-safe mold, such as cookie cutters, larger cupcake pans, or even cupcake liners. Once you have your mold filled, you'll want to leave these out overnight to dry. If you want to speed up the process, you can lightly cook these in a heated oven to about 170 degrees for about 45 minutes. Please be sure for this step that you have an adult help you. Once your bath bomb is ready, you'll notice it's solid when you gently tap it. It's now ready to gift. When you give these to the gift recipient, you can package them however you like, in pretty paper, plastic wrap, a reused box, or just simply in your hand. They're ready to use and be dropped into nice warm water. Let's see what happens when we drop our solid bath bomb into a warm cup of water. What do you notice? Right away, we're getting lots of bubbles. Those bubbles are filled with gas. We have a great example of a chemical reaction going on. Remember, when we mixed everything together very quickly, we were trying to avoid this reaction from happening because we added citric acid and baking soda into the same mixture. When these two materials mix together, they produce a gas just like these bubbles we're seeing, which make our bath a lot more fun, but filled with science as well. The fun thing about this project, just like many of the projects we do here at the Boonshoft Museum of Discovery, is that you can make this into an experiment. If you change up the amount of the acid and the base that you add to your bath bomb, you may get different results. You may even want to work with your recipient to see what they liked better or didn't like as much. So then you involve your gift recipient as well. I hope you enjoyed this activity with us today.
Thank you for joining the Boonshoft Museum of Discovery. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. We look forward to seeing you again soon.